Entertainment news ba ang hanap mo? We're giving you full access with just one click. Click it. Click Entertainment today. We want you here in every way. We want you to scream their name. Because for today, Click It is giving you all things SB19. Hindi na kailangang halukayin na parang ginto. Inipon na namin ang lahat ng bagong kwento tungkol sa inyong mga paboritong sina Pablo, Ken, Josh, Stel, Justin. Things are looking up for the reigning kings of P-pop. Pinatunayan nilang taon nila ang 2024 because this year, they were able to give us so much more. Unahin na natin ang sunod-sunod nilang paghakot ng awards this year alone. Early in July, SB19 ang pinangalan ng Favorite Asian Act sa 2024 Nickelodeon Kids' Choice Awards. SB19 made history as the first P-pop group to bag this award, edging out Asian pop big names ENHYPEN, NIDZU, Tiara Andini, and Iman Troy. Barely a month after, tinanggap naman ng SB19 at ang nation's girl group BINI ang Voices of Asia Award at Billboard Korea's Billboard K-Power 100 event in Seoul. Historic moment naman ito for Filipino music dahil kinilala rito ang contributions ng dalawang P-pop groups sa global music scene. Pero magpapatalo ba ang 18? SB19's 18 also won this year's Billboard Fan Army Face-Off. Landslide victory nga raw ang pagkapanalong ito ng 18 and it's their second year in a row winning in this vote-based face-off. Sabi nga ng SB19, "You can't stop this, we gonna get it. Who can? None, cause we born to make it." Kaya umpisa pa lang yan, more awards for SB19 and 18. Hindi pa rin uso ang pahinga dahil come September, the group released their docu SB19 Pagtatag. And once again, they made history as the highest-grossing Filipino documentary film to date. Ang SB19 Pagtatag napapanood na ngayon sa Hong Kong, Dubai, and Singapore. Kaya sa mga kababayan natin dyan, let's support our own. Hindi lang sa mga sinihan pwedeng mapanood ang SB19, sa TV din dahil napapanood na natin tuwing linggo sina Stel at Pinunong Pablo bilang coaches ng The Voice Kids Philippines. Sa nasabing show, pinatunayan ng dalawa na kahit sa mga bata ay tumatalab ang appeal nila dahil si Coach Stel kahit hindi umikot ang chair para sa isang contestant, pinili pa rin. At nang may paliwanag na ang mechanics sa cute na contestant, hindi pa rin si Coach Billy Crawford o Coach Julian San Jose ang pinili nito, kundi si Coach Pablo. Matatandaan sa The Voice Generations unang napansin ang chemistry ni Stel at Asia's Limitless star, Julian San Jose, that GMA decided to produce the concert, Julie and Stel, ang ating tinig. Sold out ang 2-day concert na ito na nagpatunay sa pagkakaroon nila ng strong following. Patunay rin ito sa versatility ng ating P-pop kings na marami na ring successful collabs of late like Kalakal with Glock 9, Ready with Apple the App, Moonlight with Ian Asher and Terry Zhong, Golden Hour with Jake, Ang Kapangyarihan with Ben and Ben na years ago pa nila ginawa pero ngayon ay official theme song ng GMA Primetime series na Pulang Araw. Will there be a Julian Stel original song collab soon? Speaking of SB19 music, each member has his solo album already. Ken has second solo album called Seven Sins. Stel has Room. Josh has Lost and Found. Pablo has Alon and is launching Laon soon. Justine ano na, we're all waiting, excited na ang 18. And if you ever decide to drop your solo album, nandito lang kami at handang makinig. May albums, awards, docufilm, TV project, concerts, collabs, endorsements. Ano pa bang hindi kayang gawin ng SB19? Talaga namang malayo na pero malayo pa ang kaya nilang marating. Let's keep supporting our reigning kings of P-pop, our very own SB19. That's it for now. Stay tuned for more because we're ready to give more with just one click. This has been Click It. Click Entertainment Today.